Good morning. Happy Friday. It is week 2, day 5, April 10th, 2020. So we've made it 2 full weeks through distant learning. So I hope we're getting a hang of this. We are in the middle column at the very bottom box, week 2, day 5. Notice there's no check marks. That means mommy and daddy do not need to take a picture of any of the activities to send to me. But if you haven't done the 2 math and the 2 reading this week, please send those today by 6 p.m. Okay, I need to put those in as a grade. All right, the first activity on our list today is place value. So this has cube trains, and it has the teen numbers. Remember, when you see all of the cubes snapped together in a cube train, it's going to have 10. So you know you don't have to count the cube train. You can sabotage and know that that is 10. You're going to color all 10 of those cubes. And then the individual cubes, you're going to color how many more you need to make that teen number. So for 16, you would color the cube train of 10 plus 6 more. Okay, so you only color the amount that you need to make that number. But remember, the cube train is always 10. So you're going to do that for 16, 18, 15, 19, and 17. Okay, the next math one is a review of adding. This has picture addition problems. So, don't be confused by how many apples are in the basket. Don't worry about that. It's the 2 apple baskets plus the 2 potato baskets. How many do you have altogether? Color the number that shows how many baskets there are. The same with the fruit baskets. Then you've got apples and strawberries. You have a crate and some lettuce, it looks like, corn and potatoes, and then bags and baskets again. So you're adding them together and choosing one of the numbers that shows how many there are all together. Okay, this is things that you would find like at a farmer's market. Okay, the next activity is missing letters. These are words from the add word family. We did that way at the beginning when we started word families. So the add word family, we have sad, we have bad, the puppy's doing something bad. We have mad, dad, lad, a little boy is also called a lad, and pad, a pad of paper. So you're finding the missing letter and writing that in, and then underneath on the writing line, write the entire word. And remember, try to use a pencil in case you make a mistake, you can erase it. And we're really trying to make our letters on the writing line nice and neat, because remember, we're getting ready for first grade and we need to get our handwriting looking like first grade handwriting. We had started talking about that in class. First grade coloring, first grade handwriting. Okay? And the next page, this one is a little different. This is read and write sentences. It says sight word practice, but this is a little different than our normal sight word practice page. So this has two sentences at the top. It says, "This is my dog. My dog is brown." So from those two sentences, you're going to be making 7 more sentences. You're going to write the word that you think fits into that blank. Now, all they've told us is, "This is my dog is brown." So you're going to use that information to help you fill out these 7 sentences. For example, number 1 says, "Blank is my dog." So they've left out the word this. This is my dog. And then the next sentence, "This is blank dog." They left out the word my. Okay? So you're using these 2 sentences to rewrite these by filling in the missing words. So I would definitely do this with a pencil to make sure that you're putting the correct word in. Have mommy and daddy check your work and make sure that you're putting the correct word in. Okay? And the last one is our reading comprehension. We've done many of these. This one's called a bad cold. So again, we're reviewing add words. We have our text at the top called a bad cold that you're going to read with mommy and daddy. Then with the appropriate color, you're going to answer the question, what did Ben's dad have? And there's a red crayon. So you're going to find the answer in the text, underline it with your red crayon, and then write the answer with your pencil. And you do the same for question 2 with an orange crayon and question 3 with a green crayon. Okay? So that is our work today. Remember, nothing needs to be sent to me except for the 2 math pages from Tuesday and the 2 reading pages from Thursday. So please double check that you've sent those to me so I can give you a grade. And I will be uploading the word games video shortly. And I'm going to do something special next week. I'm going to upload a special video. I'm going to take a little drive this weekend to my best friend's house, who has some pet goats, and she said I could come and make a video of the goats and talk about them. So I'm going to do that this weekend and then upload that for next week, so you can see me visiting with a couple pet goats. This weekend is Easter. So I hope you have a wonderful time. It's going to be a very different Easter, not being able to be with family and friends, but hopefully you can find something special to do. Just make it a special day, and I will be seeing you later today. Okay, boys and girls, I love you and miss you and hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.